Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on building a directory website with Divi5 and GeoDirectory. In today's video, we'll continue creating the homepage, we'll build the Explore section, Blog section, and the CTA section step by step using Divi5 and GeoDirectory. So let's dive in. So we come to our Divi editor builder, then we click on the plus icon and first take two columns. In the left column, we will put the code block. In this, we will put the short code of GD listing. From this, we will take the short code of GD listing. In the filter, we will set the post type to places. We will select all categories and we will show 4 posts. We will come to design and list the layout. In card design, we will load the default archive item. In wrapper style, we will set the border color to none. Then we will copy the short code. Then we will paste it here. And in the right column, we will again write the code block. After that, we will take the GD map shortcode here. Okay, we will take the GD map shortcode from here. Then we will copy the code shortcode. Then we will paste it here. Now we will update the height of the map to be equal to the height of this listing. So here it is 4 to 5 pixels. We will make it 6 to 5. Save and save. Then we come to the output, we refresh the page. Let's see how the Explore section looks. Now look, our listing and map are loading here. So let's make the map height a little longer. We will set the map height to 7 to 5 pixels. And it's not working. So let's save it once and see the output. We refresh the page. Oh, it didn't work. So we will make it 8 to 5 pixels. Save it and come to the front end and refresh the page. Boom, guys. Now our listing and map section has appeared. Now we will put a heading at the top. Okay? For that, what we do is click on another section here and take a full column. Inside it, we will put the heading block, and here we will write Explore. Let's write listing. We come to its design, we come to text, we come to heading text, we make it H2, we center the text alignment, and its section, we come to it. After coming to design, we come to spacing and set the margin from top to bottom to 0. And we will also set the padding from top to bottom to 0. Okay? Give 50 pixels from the top margin, or we can keep it 0. And we come to the heading. After coming to the heading, we will keep 50 pixels from the top in this padding. After that, what we do is save it. In the second row, we will put the blog section. For that, what we do, so we take a full column. In this, we first put the heading block and write blocks. Okay, we'll come to its design as well. We'll come to the heading text, make it H2, and center the alignment. And then we'll click on this section again and take a full container. In this, we'll write post. Okay? Now we can show posts like a slider. We can show 2 types of sliders as a carousel. So we'll take the post carousel. And here, what we'll do is keep the post type as post. And after that, we'll select all categories. We'll set the post count to 3. Now, what is it that we haven't created any posts in the back end? Only one dummy post has been created, okay? So we'll quickly add 2 more, then we'll add posts in the block section here. So what do we do for posts? We'll delete this section from here. And in this block, we'll click on Add New Row and take another column here. Then we'll search for post here. Then we'll take the second post slider. Here, you see, we can show many posts. How many posts? So here we'll set it to 10. We'll assign all categories, order by, okay? We'll keep all these as default. After that, we come to the design. We'll keep the layout as flex, okay? We can also revise it. Flex, we'll do it like this. Then what we do is click on the section of the section. After clicking on the section, we come to the design. After that, we'll come to spacing. We'll set padding top and bottom to 0. Then our second row, this first row, where block is written, will come to its spacing. Then we'll set the padding to 0. from top to bottom. Then in this section, what we do is come to this section. In this row, we'll set the margin to 0 from top and bottom. After that, we'll also set its margin to 0 from top and bottom. Okay? Then what we do now is in the row of this block section, we'll come to spacing and set the bottom margin to 50 pixels, and padding is not needed. We've set the margin to 50 pixels. After that, we'll take a new section. In that, we'll create a CTA section. For that, we'll take a full column that will have a heading. And we can also take the heading block from here. And we'll copy this heading like this. And we'll copy it like this. We'll copy the module. We'll paste it here. Okay? Then here, we'll name it. Add your listing today like this. Okay? And then we'll put a text paragraph below it. For this, we need to click on the plus icon in this layer icon. We need to put it below the heading. Click on Add Element Inside and write text. And after writing text, we'll put dummy text here. And we'll add a button. Again, we'll click on this module and write button here. And we can design the button a bit. We'll come to design and give the button a background color, white. And after that, we'll give it a color. We'll give its text color black. We'll come to its main section. After coming to the main section, we'll give it a background color. We'll come to the front end, we'll give the background color an orange type. And we'll click on this button again. Then what we do is come to the button's design, click on alignment and center align it. And click on the button again and give the border a radius of 6 pixels. And we'll set the border color. Okay, this is fine. After that, what we do is change its text. We'll change it to add listing, like that. Okay, now we'll save it. And after that, we'll also change the font color of this text, the text color. We'll come to design, we'll click on heading text and make the text color white. And we'll also come to the design of this paragraph text and change its color. Okay, we'll make it white. Let's save it. Then we come to the front end. We'll refresh the page. Boom, guys, look, we've added our explore section. We've shown the block section here with slides. And this is our add your listing. Now we'll center align the paragraph text below. For that, we'll have to come to text. Click on the text and center its alignment here. We'll save it. Then we'll come to the front end and refresh the page once again. Boom! Guys, now our complete homepage tutorial is finished, in which we have created a hero section, category section, listing section, explore listing section, and block section, and a CTA section where you can click to add a listing. In the next video, we will show the design of the archive page and also the design of the archive item. We also provide directory website development services. If you need a customized solution for your directory website, we're here to help. You can hire us at buddydevelopersofficial.com. You can also follow us on our other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.